Hey guys, it's Karen. Today I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be a review for a company off of Amazon. They sent me a wig, which is the wig I have on currently right now. It was a lace frontal wig, I believe 13 times 4 lace frontal in 20 inches. The company is called NUOF, N-U-O-F. They reached out to me, wanted me to promote one of their wigs. Just to get their name out there a little bit, so I of course accepted. I did do 2 skunk stripes, one on each side, right here and right here, just in the front. It is pink. The color I used was Kiss Colors, their Temptation line, and the color Atomic Pink, which is T431 level 8. This is what the bottle looks like. I only used about like half the bottle for the skunk stripes. Didn't have to really use that much. To achieve the skunk stripe color, I did bleach the hair twice, the 2 little sections, and it got to this like nice little honey brownish blondish color. It of course is not gonna like bleach with 613, so if you want that, I'm not sure if they have 613 wigs or bundles, but you should definitely go check them out. And then after that, I just applied my my semi-permanent hair color. Then I deep conditioned it. Also, even though I bleached the hair twice, it was still like super soft to the touch. Didn't seem brittle. I didn't see any breakage at all. Straight off the package, there wasn't really much shedding. Now that I've been wearing it for a bit, and I did like pluck my middle part, and I did pluck like the edges because this is a frontal, I do see some shedding here and there, but nothing like too crazy. Overall, I would rate this wig about a 10. It definitely bleached well, took well to the color. I don't really have any issues with shedding or tangling, anything like that, thank goodness. The knots also bleached well too. Was able to bleach my knots, and I do also have like lace tint on my part. The knots definitely bleached well, so that's another plus. I will leave the link down below to where you can get this wig from, and also their like Amazon store in general, so you can browse the rest of their products. Hopefully you guys enjoy this review, and I will definitely be back with more hair reviews this year. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.